Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to combine ChatGPT plus Meshy to create 3D assets and be a 3D designer and artist without actually studying 3D. So without further ado, let's begin. First go to ChatGPT, create the image that you want. So I want to create this rusty armor with a hole in it, something like this. So we download the image, we go to Meshy and we give it the image. Once we've done that, we generate our model. It will give us 4 variations. We pick from whichever one we like. So give it a second.
Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel as that will help us a lot. Thank you.
So it's done generating. Let's check the results. Alright, these are very good results. I'm going to choose this one. I like this one more. So we click it and we have an option whether we wanted to generate textures for it or not. Since we're 3D artists now, let it do the work for us. So we confirm and we let it generate. So it's done generating. Let's see the result. The wood texture is there, the rusty texture is there, the hole is there. So I would say it did a pretty good job. And now we just download it. You can choose different formats. I'm gonna go with the Blender so we can easily get it right now on Blender. So we download and it's done. Let's open the file. The good thing about the .blend, it opens Blender automatically with the model. So this is the model, and if we go here, we'll have the texture, and there you have it. We have our own 3D model done in a couple of minutes without actually having to study 3D artistry or anything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.